Making royal icing from scratch is a massive waste of time when store-bought options give you bakery-level cookies without the stress. Getting that perfect consistency at home is a total nightmare. It is usually way too runny to hold a shape or so stiff you cannot even squeeze it out of the bag. That is why grabbing a ready-made royal icing is the ultimate cheat code for cookie decorating. First up is the Wilton cookie icing. It comes in a squeeze bottle that you just toss in the microwave for a few seconds. You do not even need to mess with piping bags, and it hardens perfectly in about an hour. If you want zero prep, the Betty Crocker cookie icing is elite. It comes in a pre-filled icing bag. You do not even have to heat it up. Just snip the tip and start flooding your cookies. For big batches, grab the Wilton ready-to-use icing in the 14-ounce tub. It is a blank canvas. You can thin it out with a little water for flooding or add powdered sugar if you need it thick for piping fine details. If you prefer a mix, Cellabakes and Wilton both make dry royal icing mixes where you literally just add water. But here is a secret for the Wilton mix. Use milk instead of water for a way creamier taste. Now, if you want to completely trick people into thinking you made your store-bought icing from scratch, you have to whip it first. Take it out of the tub, whip it up, and mix in a little cream cheese with a splash of vanilla or almond extract. It completely transforms the flavor and texture. You do not need to be a professional pastry chef to make gorgeous cookies that set up perfectly. Just grab a pre-made option, jazz it up with some extract, and let the icing do all the heavy lifting for you.